Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see a question based on isometric view of combination of solids, combination of three solids, two square prisms and a square pyramid. Question is, over the top of a square prism of 60 mm edge and 24 mm height, a square prism of base 50 mm and height 30 mm is resting centrally. A square pyramid of base 30 mm and height 30 mm is placed over this centrally. Draw the isometric view of the combination of three solids. So here first we want to draw the simple top view and front view. So at the bottom you have a square prism of 60 mm base edge and 24 mm height. Then over that you have a square prism of 50 mm base edge and 30 mm height, and over that you have a triangular a square pyramid of 30 mm edge and 30 mm height. So first you draw a reference line, below that you draw a square of 60 mm edge like this. So then centrally inside that you want to draw a square of 50 mm base edge, and inside that you want to draw a square of 30 mm centrally. Now since the innermost one or the top one is a pyramid, you want to connect that, you want to draw the cross lines. Now after drawing this one, you want to draw the front view. First you draw a rectangle of 60 mm width and 24 mm height. Over that you draw a rectangle of 50 mm width and 30 mm height, and over that you draw a triangle of 30 mm width and 30 mm height. So this is the top view and this is the front view of the combination. Now before drawing the isometric view, you want to draw the simple top view and front view. Now we will start the isometric view. First you draw a reference line, mark a point here, mark 60 mm and 60 mm at 30 degrees towards left and right. Now from here you draw a line parallel to this line like this, and from here you draw another line parallel to this line. You will get a box like this, and these two lines are dotted lines. Now from this each corner you want to mark the height of the object 24 mm like this. From here 24 mm, 24 mm, 24 mm. You will get 4 points and connect those points. You will get another box there. Now over this, this is the bottommost square prism. Now you want to draw another square inside that. So for that, here you have the outermost one is 60 mm base edge, and here second one is 50 mm. So difference is 10 mm. So that means here to here it is 5 mm. Now from this corner you mark 5 mm along this line. Here also you mark 5 mm along this line. From here also 5 mm along this line and 5 mm like this. From this corner also you mark 5 mm along this line and 5 mm along this line. Here also you mark 5 mm, 5 mm. So draw those lines. You will get another square inside this square, which is a parallel square like this. Now you want to erase these unwanted corners like this, and from each corner you mark height of the object, which is 30 mm. So you mark 30 mm upwards. You will get another 4 points. Connect those points. You will get another box there, and so this is the second square prism. So inside that you want to mark all these portions. This one here to here, here to here, this line, and this line, dotted line. So these are the invisible lines in the case of isometric view. Now over this you have another square pyramid. So there the edge length is 30 mm. So 50 minus 30 here, this 50 minus 30 will give you 20. Half of that is 10 mm. That means from here to here it is 10 mm. Now that 10 mm you mark here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. From all these corners, how you marked here, in the same way you you want to mark 10 mm like this, and to draw those lines you will get 4 lines. Now erase these unwanted portions. You will get a square here. Now from this corner, from the centroid, you mark height of the object, that is 30 mm upwards. Draw those square like this. So square pyramid like this. So this is the combination of three solids. You want to mark the height of the object 24. Do the dimensions 24 mm, 30 mm, and 30 mm. And this is 60 mm, 50 mm, and 30 mm. Mark 30 degrees like this. So I hope you understood how to draw the combination of isometric view of the combination of prisms and pyramid. Thank you very much for watching this video.